Hey people, so there is this other show again on Netflix called Murder Among the Mormons, and it is based on this real time killing that happened in 1984 of of a certain official within that. Mormons are said to be the biggest religious denomination in America, and when you watch the show you realize the kind of hierarchy and basically Mormons believe that a certain tablet, a certain stone tablet was found with God's words written on it, and there are certain manuscripts that were written by some gentleman in that time, and those scrolls can still be bought at an auction. Now, there was a lot of, the very basis of Mormonism, like it doesn't give Mother Mary any kind of status. Mormonism is a very patriarchal. In fact, their concept of heaven is very close to the Islamic concept of heaven, which I found fascinating because I've been reading this book called Leaving the Saints, because here in India also we have this, it's a religious denomination, Latter Day Saints. So Latter Day Saints are also part of the Mormon community. So this particular show that's on Netflix speaks about the first ever bomb blast with regard to a religion that occurred. It happened in Utah, and it was among the Mormons. Like there was, and luckily this bomb blast was such, only luckily as in three people were killed, but it kind of shook America because this happened in 1984. In fact, 84, or it was in the early 80s. So I mean, back then there was no concept of terrorism, but it's so this particular documentary on Netflix speaks about the fact that Mormons have always been ahead of their times. It's quite fascinating when you watch this show. So do try and catch it, people. It's called Murder Among the Mormons, and you can find it on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.